Sometimes, heroism doesn't need words. A fearful glance, a simple movement, or a silent moment can say it all. In this video, we witness real-life situations. Animals found themselves in a difficult situation, and people didn't hesitate to step in to save them at the right moment. Welcome to Rare Vision, where we share authentic footage of unforgettable human-animal moments. When he chose to climb without hesitation, courage became a lifeline for a small soul waiting for hope. Together, the man and the woman moved quickly, turning teamwork and courage into a second chance for the falcon just in time.